Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you for joining me today. Today's project features several items that are retiring from the 2019-2020 Stampin' Up catalogue. And I'm featuring the craft pillow boxes, which have been a favourite of mine, and I'm very sad to see them going, but they are going, so there you go. We're going to make this very cute little gift packaging. You can pop anything you like in that little box there. It makes a gorgeous gift. Would fit a really nice gift card in there, or a small sweet treat, whatever that you like really. So we're featuring as I said, the craft pillow box, the gorgeous grape mini striped ribbon, which is also retiring. This framelit, which is from the Stitched So Sweetly set of dies, and the ink, which is the gorgeous grape ink, which is also retiring. So I'm going to show you how I made it. First of all, I'll show you how you put the pillow box together. So they come with, how many are in the box? There's actually 10 in a box of these. So all you do, each end of them has got a little fold. So you just fold that end in, fold the other end in, do the same on the other end. Voila, done. No time at all. Took no time at all to make that. That's all it takes is to put the pillow box together. Now I'll show you how I did the decoration. So I used as I said, the stitched. Sorry, they are called the Stitch Labels shapes. They are retiring, and they coordinate with the Stitched All Round stamp set, which has been an absolute fabulous stamp set and one of my favourites. So I've already gone ahead and used this die to cut out that shape, and I've used Highland Heather to get the background. You can stamp straight onto that if you like, because these stamps are actually designed to fit in there, but I wanted to give it a little bit of a point of interest. So I'm using this one here, the Enjoy Your Special Day. I've already popped it up onto a block, and I'm just going to stamp it onto a piece of Whisper White. With the gorgeous grape. Now if you like any of these 2018, 2019 in colours that are retiring, if you're going to order them, be sure you order the re-inker as well, because once these sell out, you won't be able to get them again. So the re-inker will definitely keep you going for quite a long time. So I'm just going to stamp that down onto my piece of Whisper White. I like Enjoy Your Special Day. I like that font. I like the gorgeous grape and the Highland Heather together. It's a little bit different. Now I used another die from another set actually. This is one of the Stitched So Sweetly dies, which is actually in the mini catalogue. The catalogue on page 20, it's actually part of a bundle, the So Sentimental bundle. So these Stitched So Sweetly dies, it's beautifully scalloped and stitched, they are carrying over to the annual catalogue. But if you want to get the dies and the coordinating stamp set for 10% off, you will need to order them before the 3rd of June. They will be, as I said, in the new catalogue, but they won't be as a bundle, and they won't have the 10% off. So I'm going to run that one through, I'm going to run the sentiment through my die cutting machine, and by the magic of the internet, I've already done one earlier just to save a little bit of time. So I'm going to pop that sentiment onto the background die cut piece. Those are the dies in the set actually. They are fabulous. They're fabulous dies. So that's the what is it? The Stitched Shapes dies. All the details of all the products I've used are in the description bar below. I'm just going to pop that up with some dimensionals, which are currently out of my, here we are. just a couple. Should hold that in place. Pop that in the middle. And I've also included some jewels from the Noble Peacock rhinestones. These are also retiring. Generally what happens when these rhinestones retire, they sell out pretty quickly. So if you do want to get these, I would not wait too long, because they will be quite popular, I imagine. That's just to add a little bit of interest. So the next thing I'm going to do is pop the ribbon around the top of the pillow box, and I'm going to go more towards the top. So I'm going to attempt to tie the ribbon upside down, so hopefully it comes out right. Just going to bring that up a little bit higher. There we go. Trim that off. Here's our ribbon in place. And then with a small piece of Whisper White baker's twine, I'm going to thread that through the top of this stitch label die, and back around here, around under the bow of that ribbon. And I'm just going to make another little bow there. Tie that off, and that's all there is to it. I could spend hours getting bows correct. I really could, but I won't put you through the agony of watching me do that. That would be no fun. Tie that off and cut that off a little bit. And that's it. Enjoy your special day. Very simple, very easy, using the Stitched All Round stamp set, the Noble Peacock rhinestones, and the stitch shaped, can't get the words out, the stitch shaped dies, which are these ones.